Hello guys, my name is Arsalan. Welcome back to my channel, and today we guys are going to solve a new Leetcode question, that is greatest English letter in upper and lower case. Let's read out the question. The question says, given a string of English letter S, written the greatest English letter which occurs as both a lowercase and uppercase letter in S. The return letter should be in uppercase. If no such letter exists, return an empty string. An English letter B is greater than another A if B appears after A in the English alphabet letter. So this is also important thing to notice, that B, the word that appears afterwards, should be considered to be returned. For example, if there is A and B, we will be returning B instead of A. If there is Z and X, so we will be returning Z instead of X. So how are we gonna return Z, X, A, B, C? How we will be gonna returning those values? So let's understand with the help of example number 1. There's the example, there is a string S is equals to Leetcode. As you can see, there is two letters that starts from L and then starts from two uppercase and lowercase digits. There are two digits that has uppercase and lowercase both. So we can consider that capital E and small e are to be taken into consideration. As you can see, these are the only two digits in the array which has uppercase and lowercase values. So we will be returning these values. So they should be same values, meaning that it should not be A in uppercase and B in smaller case. It should be only one letter, one alphabet of English letters that should be both in uppercase and lowercase. So I hope you have understood it now. Similarly in RR, there is R here, and here there is no such letters, as you can see. So we will be returning an empty string. So in a place where there is no such letters which has both uppercase and lowercase, we will be returning the empty string, guys. So just before starting to solve this question, guys, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. Moving on to the coding section, let's start. First of all, I only want the same letter, so I do not want identical pairs in the S string, so I will just create a set maybe. So I will say that S is equals to set S. We can create a set so that we should have a distinct value, not identical, meaning that this E, there are two E's here, one this and one this. So we will be the one E would be removed and we will be only left with one E. Similarly in this, if there are identical pair of capital R, it would be removed. Any letter in this array, in this string, if there are identical pair of them, will be removed. Moving further, let's say for I in range, so we will be just starting from the right hand side, meaning that we'll be starting from this side, so that we can just check that if there is a value here, we can just immediately put and take into consideration. So we will be just starting from backwards and we'll be going till -1, and since it's a reverse order, so we will be seeing that -1 as well here. So let me tell it to you. This is the 25, this is the range, and this is the steps. This is the direction we will be moving, and this is the steps we are taking. So we will be moving in reverse order. Now, moving further, we will be saying that create a new variable that will be character1. Character1 is equals to chr of chr 97 plus I. So we are basically using ASCII. Let me show it to you. ASCII table. So this is the ASCII table we are talking about. Uh, this is the A value that start from capital A. Let me open it. Let's see. This is uh, this is the capital value of ASCII number that has char value of A, B, C, D, and then from 90 from yeah, here from 97, as you can see that it's starting from A, B, C. That's our small letter. So let's move on to the question, and this will be checking. I'm just writing the comment so that you can follow it in a better way. Checking the lowercase. Okay, and similarly I will put to check uppercase. If you can guess it, what we will be using here is this number, uh, where it's been gone. Yeah, this decimal value of this. So decimal value of this will be 65 plus I. So because we will be moving, we will be not sticking to one value, so that's why we are just adding our I. Checking the uppercase. Now while we have checked all these two, now next step is to check if they are in our set, meaning that we have checked that these are our letter, but we haven't checked in our set that's our this string. So we have to make sure that it should be in there. If ch1 in s let me put a bracket here, and ch2 in s again. If these two are there, then only give me return ch2. We want ch2 because we want the uppercase letter. So uppercase letter, if you can see here, is ch2. This is the uppercase letter. So let's start from 65. This is starting from 65, so that's why we are saying that return be ch2. And if this is not true, in any case, just return me an empty string. So we have written an empty string if neither of the conditions are true, which falls in under this condition. So guys, this was all in the question. Now let's run this code. See, it's been working here, and I hope that you guys have understood this question. If you guys still have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. I will try to sort it out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next time.